Not only is it time to file your taxes, but it's also Tax Identity Theft Awareness Week. Hannah Latier spoke with local accountants about what filers should look out for.
When you file your taxes, you could be at risk of falling for an IRS impersonation scam or tax identity theft.
You know, where we generally see that somebody has been a victim of identity theft is we go to electronically file their tax return and it gets rejected by the IRS.
Tax identity theft happens when someone files a tax return using your name and social security number.
Definitely want to protect your social security number, so don't send anything that has your social security number via email or anything like that that's unsecure.
You'll also want to be aware of the ways to tell if someone is pretending to be an IRS agent.
Basically, the IRS will never initiate contact with a taxpayer via text, phone. They will only contact you via mail. So if somebody calls you and says they're from the IRS, they're not. You would have to call the IRS if you wanted to talk to the IRS.
One of the best ways to avoid these issues is to file your taxes as soon as possible.
I mean, honestly, in recent years, I think the IRS, state of Georgia, state of South Carolina, and other states have done a much better job cracking down on that. Nowadays, taxpayers will frequently get a letter in the mail saying, not frequently, but it happens, where they might get a letter saying, a tax return was filed under your name and social security number. We just want to verify that it's a legitimate return. Can you please send us a couple pieces of identifying information? And so I think that's helped a lot.
The deadline to file for a federal tax return is April 18th. If you think you've been scammed, there's a form you can fill out on the IRS's website that you submit with your tax return. In Augusta, Hannah Latier, WJBF News Channel 6.